I can see on the face, no. You don't have to say. Complete it, okay? So that is why you have Saturdays and Sundays, so that whatever will be left, whatever you have not completed, use the weekends and be on it. You'll feel so proud at the end that you have done this much of work around in 21 days. I'm telling you. It's never easy. We never have time. We always have to prioritize and make it work, right? All right. Today, for some reason, the filter has gone up. It's fine.
Good.
Okay, can you see my screen properly?
Yes.
Great. Yeah. Good morning, Archana.
Good morning.
Good morning. All right.
Good morning.
So, last class, we understood to write how to write statement of increase. Do you remember, all of you? Statement of increase, right? That means whatever I want, I create a sentence as if it has already happened and I produce the emotions. Sometimes it takes me 10 minutes, 5 minutes to do this, and sometimes it takes me 1 hour to do, depending on how am I feeling it. Are you getting me? Understanding? It's not just about completing the whole page. It's about everything is about here. Okay, go inside, connect to your heart and do the exercises. That is very, very important. More your heart is in coherence, more you are aligned. So this is statement of increase that I now enjoy looking at whatever in my bank account, and I feel so supported. I feel so grateful. I feel so, wow, I'm a divine child. Wow, I'm so blessed. Whatever emotions comes up, right? That's the right emotion for you. Now we will create the image of the increase. Okay, what is image of the increase? Now our intellect cannot understand any word. The lines that we are giving, it is for the conscious mind and the subconscious, but the intellect, buddhi, which we say in Hindi, cannot understand any words. So we will have to give an image so that the intellect can actually see that what I'm trying to say from that line. So now I would love you to create an image of that. Okay, so what does that, whatever amount you have written, what does that amount look like in the form of image? I'll give you an example. So it's a client's, I don't know if I've added here. Yeah, this. So this was one of my clients' picture where it was like with family traveling and then all of them enjoying dinner together. This was his net worth diagram that he made. So this was what he made and this is what he achieved. Right? So I would love you to really not need it to make it exactly in this manner. For all of you, it will mean differently. I remember making up that. If I have it. Okay, I'll see if I have it. In the middle, I'll go and find out that 1001, how I have drawn up. So I would love you to draw the image of increase. I would love you to see what is that image of increase that you're talking about. Are you getting me? Okay, so create an image of increase for your own self. It will be different for all of us, which is completely perfect, right? I just gave you an example. It doesn't need to be like this. Okay, so I would love you to really think of and create an image of that line. How does that 1 crore look like? How does that 10 crore look like? How does that, whatever amount you have put up, what does that mean to you? Because see, these amounts mean nothing, right? Actually, you will have to associate it with something bigger than just money. So think about what will it bring? Will it bring your family closer? Will it bring more happiness? Will it bring more travel in your life? Will it bring make you the medium to serve so many people? What will it do to you? I would love you to connect money with something bigger than you. So money is a tool. Okay, so it's just like a tool, like a TV, mobile phone. We can't say mobile phone is bad. Similarly, we can't say money is bad. It's like we are just taking a tool and not using it. social media is bad. Have you heard that? Social media is bad, Instagram. No, nothing is bad and good. It's about what you do with it. It's a tool. Okay, it's a tool, and let's use the tool. So, create, I'll give you 5 minutes, create the image. And if you have any doubt, please ask me in the chat. Okay, and create the image. Kanchan, understood? Kanchan? Kanchan is there? Okay. I think our video has stopped. Alright. No worries. So whatever, if you want to ask something, please feel free to ask. So 5 minutes, let's create your image. Ready? Create your image of increase.
Is a great day by
What image you want to see when you are writing each line? That's the image you are creating. Okay? So create an image for yourself. All right. So I hope all of you got your image of increase. That means whatever line you have written for yourself, I would love you to create an image that you will be seeing while you are doing it. It will not come for the first time, which is completely okay. We are practicing it, right? Every single day. So you don't have to bash yourself that, oh, it's not coming to me. Be very kind, be very loving. Love will start from your end. So start loving your own self first. Okay? Only then you will love the other people around it. Alright, so let's move ahead. Now, I would love all of you to open up your phone pay, bank detail, whatever, wherever you write somewhere your expenses and what you get, wherever you can see that what have you spent or what you have received. And this is a very powerful again, because again life is a boomerang. You give something, it comes back. And just remember the vacuum law. Anytime a space is empty, it cannot be empty. Universe will gush to fill that place. Just notice, buy a new table and keep it. You will see suddenly something somebody is keeping there, right? It's full. Buy a new cupboard, suddenly you will feel कि इसको तो मैं बिल्कुल खाली रखूंगी, इसमें कुछ भी नहीं रहेगा, but you will have something, right? It will just get filled suddenly, right? So that is the universe's law. Nothing can be vacuum. If there's a vacuum, a place there, it will get filled. So universe gushes to fill what's vacuum, whatever there is a space, right? So I would love you to really see each of the income and each of the expenses. I don't like to call expenses investment. Okay, so each of the investment that you have done and each of the income that is coming. So Manisha, how is it investment? Like if I'm paying rent, it is investment because you are investing in your comfort. You are investing in luxury. You can be there, na आसमान के नीचे भी क्या ज़रूरत है घर के अंदर रहने की? You have chosen this, right? You have chosen to be in that. Are you getting me? You are paying EMI for your own house. What are you investing in? You are investing in your security. Are you getting me? It's just a new angle of looking at things. You are investing in your security, that okay, I want to feel secure that no matter what happens, I have a house. Life goes up, life goes down, whatever happens, I have a house. Whatever it is, I would love you to see a new perspective. So open up your phone pay, GPay, wherever you do your pay the investments and wherever you receive money. And I would love you to really see each of the expenses and each of the investment and each of the money coming in. Fold your hand and really say, I appreciate you. I appreciate the flow of financial blessings in my life. For the affirmation, I appreciate the flow of financial blessings in my life. I appreciate it. I appreciate. Appreciation is one thing which we are very conscious of. Okay? Be very, very open of. More you appreciate something, more that thing stays in your life. Okay? So let's appreciate each and everything that has came, and then we'll go ahead. All right. So let me put on music. Today my filter is not working. It's okay. So you can see the house. Archana, if you're saying something, you are on mute. So I'll give you 5 minutes. Look at each of the expenses and each of the investment and each of the income and really appreciate from your heart. I am really thankful.
Did you know that 70?
So every time you go and buy something, let me explain you this a little bit more. So every time, for example, you went into a mall and you bought a shirt or t-shirt of 2,000 rupees, right? Now, rather than, so there are two angles. One is nowadays what is the price and how much the price has gone up and whatever we tend to say. I would love you, if you decide to buy or you don't decide to buy, that's your choice. Are you getting me? It's not that, oh, everything you will touch, you will get. Whatever you are doing, do it with your right intention. Because remember the last class, yesterday's class, money has no free will. It's your energy that will decide how will it come or it will not come to you. What energy are you producing when you are putting up money in something, and what energy are you producing when you're receiving money? That's the energy money will follow. So you are buying something. When you are buying something, I would love you to, and you are paying that to the mall person who is there, and you are paying the money. I would love you to chant in your head, I appreciate the flow of financial blessings, and I'm so grateful I get to do this for this mall, for the people, for the employees, because of this money, the salary will get paid, the mall rent will get paid, everybody. So I'm just sending a lot of blessings to this. You are putting an eat, right? It's fine. Chota eat hai. You're not saying it to the mall manager, otherwise the mall manager will think ye pagal wagal ho gayi hai kya? Buying 10,000 rupees and thinking she is doing everything. In your head, only your intention. That I'm so grateful I get to do this. I'm actually helping, sending lots of that. May this shop actually grows and become bigger, right? So that should be your intention, because your intention only you will manifest, nobody else. Okay, people will. That's why it was said that always think good for others, because it's not about others, it's about you. It's about you. Because whatever you are thinking, it's your thinking. God has not given you the power to change anybody else's destiny. God has given you power to change your destiny only. So don't think your thoughts are so powerful that you will do something to somebody else. Your thoughts are so powerful that you can make your own life. Okay, so that is how powerful it is. All right, so let's do it. I'll give you 5 good minutes. Be in that energy, and this is I appreciate the flow of financial blessings in my life. I appreciate the flow of financial blessings in my life. Got it, all of you? The exercise. Show me thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up. Heart. Yes. Okay, let's do it. Okay. Let me play the music.
Manisha, I think you're mute. You're speaking.
This is again a very powerful exercise. You can keep this for Mondays. Every week, whatever has come in and whatever you have invested in groceries, in milk, in buy, whatever, I would love you to open it and appreciate it. Okay? So, very, very powerful exercise. That means you have just cleaned up the energy that you produce. Oh my god, 50,000 tuck. The tuck feeling that we feel. I would love you to reverse that feeling. And I would love you to, oh my god, I appreciate it. I really have money to pay your bills. Isn't it the thing, something to feel appreciated? You have it to pay it. There are people who don't have it to pay that money. You have it now. That's why you are able to pay your grocery bills. That's why you are able to pay your maid thing. That's why you are able to pay the rent. That's why you are able to pay that EMI. That's why. Otherwise, though, you don't have it only. So I would love you to really move into that appreciation. All right, let me share my screen again. Now all of you will open up a new page of the notebook, and I would love you to write a beautiful letter to money, as if money is a person. Okay? So I would love you to really appreciate money for all that it has done, and you never pause and appreciate it. Right? So first time you are pausing and appreciating money. You never pause and appreciate it, you thought, take it. Rather than you said some negative things, but you never said something good or positive, right? You said कि इतना ही आया, ये भी कट गया, bonus नहीं आया, whatever we tend to say. But we never say, oh, thank you. Oh my God, I'm so grateful I received my salary today. Right? I'm so grateful that I received that today. I'm so grateful I received this much from my husband today. I'm so grateful. No, right? We never learned that. So I would love you to write a full page that what all it has done. I'm so dear money, I'm so in love with you because you have done miracles in my life. Because of you, I see my children so happy. Because of you, I see my family so happy. Because of you, I can actually buy toys that my children desire. Because of you, I can travel the world. Because of you, I can take the care of my medical expenses. Because of you, I can buy things that I desire. Because of you, I actually have a name and place in my society. Because of you, I'm able to eat my food every single day, whatever I desire. Because of you, I have so much help in my house, right? That I can do the work that I want to do. Because keep appreciating, get into that appreciation and say, I really value you. I really appreciate you. Keep coming to me because I really love you. If you will receive letter from somebody else like this, how will you feel? You will feel like going to that person's house or no? Rather than, why do you come to my house? Why do you come so less? Why do you come in so much less amount? So I would love you to really shift. So treat money as a person, then you will be able to understand it better. Money is also a person, it's standing right behind you. Whatever you are saying, it's listening. So come on. So I'll give you 5 minutes. Write a beautiful letter to money that I'm so grateful, thankful, appreciative, what all it has done, how it means a part, a support, how it makes you feel secure and grateful, how it is able to help you to dream big, do the things that you desire, create that connection. Let's do it. 5 minutes. Ready, all of you? Got it, what you need to do? So 5 minutes, do the exercise, get into the energy. It will be a written exercise. Write it. All right, so all of you completed your love letter to money. Yes. Feeling closer, feeling good, जिसको इतने सालों से appreciate नहीं किया. Today, finally, right? All right. Let me share my screen. Now we'll do a powerful exercise. Actually, in manifestation, there are two things, two core things. There are many things inside it, but there are two core things. And when people discuss with me that they're not able to manifest, there are two things that I see. One is the techniques that people know and people can just copy from anywhere. But deeper than that is the healing process. Whatever you have gone through in your childhood, in your relationships, in your surroundings, that is part of you now. The memory box is here. So when we don't heal, no matter how much we will try to do, whatever we want, it will somehow not come true or it will delay the process. The only reason is it's like I want to put perfume in my house, but I have a box full of all the spills, food from 10 days, 15 days, 20 days, 1 year. It's there. I'm not seeing it. I'm trying to put a different fragrance. Okay, today I'll put lavender, today I'll put rose, today I'll put whatever. But I'm not able to smell that. Why I'm not able to smell that? Because something is there which I have just forgotten about and I've not done anything about it. Okay, so healing is a very, very important part. Together it comes together. And then there are process like the step 1, step 2 that all of you have learned, right? Okay, so let me just share screen again. So we'll do one of them, a very powerful thing together right now. So I would love you to put 2 parts in your notebook. Okay. At one part, I would love you to write this: safe, secure, loved and cared. Just write this: safe, secured, loved and cared. Safe, secured, loved and cared. Emotions to master at the top you can write. And then safe, secure, loved and cared. Now, all of these emotions are very powerful emotions to actually grow money, let money be in your life, invest money. That means you should feel safe with money. You should feel secure about money. You should feel love for the money and you should feel care. So now how to produce these emotions? Now for some of us it will be very difficult to produce these emotions. Any one of the emotion might be very, very difficult. It is completely okay. Okay, we are not forcing. You don't have to force. Because depending on what you have got in your back, it may be difficult or it may be easy, whatever it was for you. It's completely okay. We are not resisting. So now I would love you to think of one image or memory from the past where you felt very safe. So maybe when you were sitting on your father's lap, you felt safe. When you were cuddling your mom, you felt safe, right? You were sleeping on your bua's lap, you felt safe. So I would love you to really think of one memory from the past where you felt safe. Okay. If you do not have any memory from the past, which can be, where you felt safe, I would love you to create a new memory. You can just imagine the mama universe and papa universe hugging you. Can you do that? Right? That will be your image to feel safe. Right? Or any deity, any god that you associate. I would love you to associate with that, and that god, that deity is actually hugging you, or you are in the lap and you are feeling completely safe. So that is one thing. Then secure. What is secure? What do you mean by secure? Again, security means, give me one word, one instance. Where have you felt secure? Anybody of you? What is secure? What can be security? Anyway, what can be secure? Unmute yourself and say. No need to write. Writing is a lot of effort. What is security? What is security? Security means I have more than enough. I don't have to worry. Correct? That is security. I'm overflowing. I'm in the overflowing stage. I don't have to worry about anything. So, where in life and what has made you feel secure? I feel secure when I look at my investment. I feel secure when I look at my FDs. I feel secure when I look at money in my account. I feel secure. When do you feel secure? Some like women feel secure when they look at their goals, right? Oh, I have so much of gold. I'm secure, right?
I also feel secure when I think about my own skills. Like, that my skills are my biggest security.
Exactly.
So yeah, I think I physical things are there. I feel secure enough. But yeah, I think yeah, my mind, I think that's my biggest security
That's
for
amazing.
me.
So I feel secure and I love that point because
Yeah.
I remember I have changed. So like I was a software engineer, from software engineer to a teacher, from teacher as a more motivational speaker, life coach. The only one thing because of which I always felt secure was the same thing that we spoke about, right? Skills.
Yes.
Yeah. So whatever it is, right? ठीक है, I am this and I have this. Nobody can take this. ठीक है, I can come to zero. Something can happen because life is unpredictable. But who will take
Exactly.
my skills, right? That's part of me.
Yeah.
So always invest in your skills. Invest on yourself. उससे ज़्यादा return nothing gives. Okay, nothing gives. So invest on your own self. You will see the maximum output that you will get from that. Okay, so secure one image. Then loved. When have you felt truly loved? I would really like you to go in the memory. When have you felt truly loved? Only one memory, if you have, it's fine. Only one image you have, it's fine. When have you felt truly loved? Maybe you felt truly loved when you get up in the morning and your husband gives tea or coffee to you. Maybe you feel truly loved when somebody understands without you saying a word. Maybe you feel truly loved when you say नहीं 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 मेरी तबीयत ठीक है and somebody says no 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 I can see that you are not well. I can see today you are not feeling that great, right? Maybe you have felt truly loved when somebody expresses their gratitude, that how much they mean to you, right? Maybe that. Maybe you felt truly loved when somebody, just I would love you to think of one very specific image that is very important. Specific, right? Not general. It's for you. It can be with anyone. And if you don't have, create with the universe. Cared for. When have you felt truly cared for? Maybe you were ill and your mom came and said, "Hey, today I'll sit beside you and you just be on the bed. You are not going to come down." Maybe you felt cared then, right? When have you felt truly cared? All of you understood the exercise? Okay, got the exercise. If there's any doubt, please ask me. So image, either create an image if you don't have a memory. If you have a memory, write that memory so that you can go back to feel these emotions. And you have to master these 4 emotions actually in life. Feeling of safety, feeling of security, feeling of loved, and feeling of cared. Because most of us are actually experiencing opposite. They're not feeling safe. They are feeling insecure. They are feeling nobody loves me and nobody cares for me. It's a normal line today. Nobody loves me, nobody cares for me. Right? So let's do the opposite. We are 1% of the world if you're here, not the normal world. Okay. So I'll give you 5 minutes. I think 5 minutes do we have? 2 minutes. Create something for safe, secure, loved, and cared for. Think of one memory. You don't have to, you just need to think of right now. Okay, great. I hope all of you were able to produce one image or memory where you felt this emotion. Are you feeling one with these emotions a little bit more? Master these. Okay, master it. Alright, so tomorrow we'll do something very powerful. We'll go deeper into this, the work that we have done, because it requires a deeper work. We'll do that tomorrow. Winner among winners, a very, very powerful exercise, and then we'll go more. I'll stop sharing for now. Alright, great. So yeah, we have 3 minutes. Anybody who would love to share, I would love to listen. Any one of you today, and then again to every single day we'll listen, because we have around 11 days. So every day, you will only get 2 chances. Then that means, right? So 2 times. So anybody who would love to share anything, either you can share your wins or your how is it going for you, or you can share any challenge or whatever you wish to, anything that you would love, right? How is it going for you, or any wins that you have? So just raise your hand, I would love to listen. Or should I call? Whom should I call? Let me call. Wait. Whom to call. Everybody write a name. Whosoever name will come, that I will call. Quickly. Let's. Jaldi. Write a name. Whosoever name will come first, no matter who has written, that person I will call. Okay? I'll just like to hear you today. Me? Okay. Okay. Chalo, Anuradha. Okay.
गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन।
Good morning.
बहुत सारी चीज़ें होती हैं बेसिक, हम ना कभी कभी बहुत सारी चीज़ों में इतने आगे बढ़ जाते हैं, इतनी सारी चीज़ें हमारी लाइफ में होती हैं, तो जो बेसिक रूट्स है ना वो छूट जाते हैं कहीं ना कहीं। जो मुझे रियलाइजेशन होता है कि बहुत बेसिक चीज़ें हम पकड़ कर अगर रखें ना तो लाइफ डिस्टर्ब नहीं होती है। पर लाइफ के कुछ रूल्स हैं, कुछ बेसिक रूल्स, कुछ पिलर्स हैं, जैसे इकोनॉमिकली, फाइनेंशियली आप कितने स्ट्रांग हो, हेल्थ वाइज कितने स्ट्रांग हो, स्पिरिचुअली इसमें से एक भी पिलर आपका हिला है रिलेशंस वाइज भी, तो वो कहीं ना कुछ इफेक्ट आपकी लाइफ में लाएगा ही। आप
Absolutely.
कितने ही सक्सेस हैं, लेकिन वो एक पिलर भी आपकी चीज हिली हुई है तो वो कहीं ना कहीं इफेक्ट डालती है। तो बहुत सारी चीजें हैं जो अभी बहुत माइन्यूट वे पर, जैसे मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि मैं ज्यादा स्पिरिचुअल अभी हो रही थी जब से अभी आपका ये ज्वाइन मैंने किया है। व्हाट आई फील कि अभी मुझे थोड़ा सा वो मटेरियलिस्टिक चीजों में फिर से जाना पड़ेगा बिकॉज मैं कुछ टाइम से इतना ज्यादा स्पिरिचुअली इन्वॉल्व हो रही थी कि मुझे ऐसा लग रहा था, बिकॉज कहीं ना कहीं एक चीज होती है ना, जैसे अभी मैंने आपको बोला सक्सेस या फिर जो ग्लैमरस लाइफ है, जिस लाइफ को मैंने देखा है, अभी आप मुझे देख रहे हो मैं कितना भी सिंपल बैठी हूँ,
Right.
बट अगर हम जो सेट पर होते हैं या जितना हम शो ऑफ वाली लाइफ में हैं,
Absolutely.
वहाँ ऊपर से नीचे तक टकाटक शो ऑफ
True.
हमें रखना पड़ता है, मेंटेन
True.
करना पड़ता है।
True. We
तो
have
कहीं ना कहीं मैं बहुत सेट पर भी जब मैं होती हूँ तो मैं अपने आप को फील करती हूँ कि मैं अंदर से ऐसी तो नहीं हूँ, बहुत अलग हूँ। मैं तो चश्मा लगाने वाली चश्मिश हूँ, ठीक है, दिस इज माई कैरेक्टर, दिस इज माई लाइफ।
true.
तो कहीं ना अंदर से अच्छी बात जो लगी मुझे कि और लोग चाहे आर्टिफिशियल हो गए, बट कहीं ना कहीं जिसने मुझे अभी तक टिका रखा है या मेरी बेसिक रूट्स हिली नहीं, वो मेरी स्पिरिचुअलिटी है। और आपसे मिलने के बाद, अभी ये अटेंड करने के बाद, मैं और भी अच्छा फील कर रही हूँ कि सच में अपने बेसिक रूट्स हमें छोड़ने ही नहीं चाहिए। जिस दिन हमने ये छोड़ दिया तो सब कुछ अलग ही हो जाता है।
True.
तो कहीं ना कहीं अपने आप को बदलना नहीं है, वो छोटी छोटी चीजें बेसिक वाली जरूर, डिसिप्लिन और छोटी छोटी जो हैबिट्स हैं, ये जो आपने आज बोला,
जाते हैं कई बार.
मुझे लिटरली आंखों में अभी मेरी आंखें नम हो गई थी कि सच में मैंने मनी को इतना ग्रेटिट्यूड कभी दिया ही नहीं। कितना पैसा आया और हम ऐसा ही उड़ा देते हैं कभी भी, और फिर और यही सोचते हैं अरे यार इतना खर्चा कर दिया।
Correct.
ये फैक्ट है, मैंने ऐसा ही सोचा और
Correct. I love how honestly you shared this. True.
लेकिन आज फील हो रहा है कि सच में मेरे पास थे पैसे तभी तो मैंने खर्च किए। मैं तो ऐसे लॉकडाउन से पहले अगर मैं बोलती मैंने इतने पैसे मतलब उड़ाए, लाखों रुपए हम कमाते थे और उड़ा देते थे, तो कभी भी पैसे को वैल्यू ही नहीं दिया। तो
Correct.
अभी समझ में आ रहा है कि उसको ग्रेटिट्यूड देना कितना जरूरी है। अगर यही नहीं होता तो कोई हमें रिस्पेक्ट ही नहीं करता।
Correct.
ये नहीं होता तो आज मैं इस घर में नहीं रहती इतने ब्यूटीफुल होम में।
True.
तो बेसिक बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है और
Everything
ये
that
बहुत
we are
अच्छा
eating,
dinner
education, the course, every single thing is happening because of it. Every single thing, right? Correct.
लेकिन आज ये रियलाइजेशन हो रहा है डे बाय डे, जैसे जैसे आप क्लास ले रहे हैं ना, सच में बहुत सारी चीजें अंदर से, वो जो पर्दा लगा हुआ था ना, एक वो पर्दा अब हट रहा है तो और क्लियरिटी हो रही है और ज्यादा अच्छा लग रहा है। आई फील वेरी ग्रेटफुल कि आप हमें हैं सिखाने के लिए। हम जो चीजें भूल रहे हैं उनसे अभी भी हम जुड़ रहे हैं। थैंक यू सो मच।
Thank you so much, Anu. Give a huge round of applause. Well done. Okay, all right. So we know the drill. All of you, put your hands together. Let me just unpin myself. Yeah. So just all of you, put your hands together. Let's invoke God. Thank you so much for everything that's happening. And I'm so grateful for this life. Sending love and blessings to each one of you here, to Anuradha, Dr. Lalan, Archana, Gitanjali, Kanchan, Kajal. May God really showers His blessings and you get to see the miracles of life. You step into the life where things happen easily, things happen effortlessly, and things happen beautifully for you. You're away from the life of struggles, but you are in the life where things happen effortlessly to you because you are now vibrating with that frequency. Sending lots of love. Come together. Let's do a hug, group hug. Come, 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 come. All right. Sending lots of love. Bye. We'll see you tomorrow. Do the homework.
Bye-bye.
Yes. Do the homework. Day 5.
Bye bye. Have a
Bye.
nice day.
Have a beautiful day, all of you.